Hey Mad Scientists, this is Meg here at Mad Science. I'm excited to hang out with you again today for our Fabtabulous Friday edition. Today, we're going to be getting a little sticky, a little messy here at the lab. I have 3 different pops, or I call it pop. I know everybody's different. I'm from the Midwest, so I say pop. I'm Midwest proud. Some of you might say soda. Some of you might say cola, which is just incorrect because cola references one type of soda, but whatever. We're not going to get into it. But I have here 3 different types of pop. I have Do the Do Mountain Dew. A fan favorite, in my opinion, especially if you're a video gamer. I've got a Diet Coke, which I don't drink because it has a chemical called aspartame in it, which makes my head hurt, which is important. Not that it makes my head hurt, but the chemical, we'll talk about it. And I have here just a normal Coca-Cola. So, I also have Altoids and Mentos. Now, some of you are like, I've seen this 100 times on YouTube. I don't need to watch the rest of this video. False. Maybe you've seen it on video, but I highly doubt that they've gone into the process of nucleation with you. And I highly doubt that they've spent time putting Altoids, Mentos, in different kinds of sodas, or pops, or colas, to decide what maybe is causing this reaction. So stay tuned. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty of Diet Coke and Mentos. So, get hyped. We're going outside.
Welcome to Mentos and Pop Outside with Meg. I'm going to introduce you to our contestants. First off, we've got Diet Coke, who you guys all know and love from the traditional Diet Coke and Mentos videos. Diet Coke has fake sugar in it called aspartame. That aspartame, we're going to see how it reacts with our Mentos. Then we've got Coca-Cola, a true American classic. Then we come down to our underdog, Sunkissed, the orange pop. I don't know many people who love orange pop, but if you're one of those rare unicorns, we'll see how she does. Then we've got Mountain Dew, Do the Do, another very popular soda. We're so excited to see how each of these react with Mentos. Are you ready? I've got 6 Mentos in this container. I'm going to spin it on here. We're going to do 6 Mentos in all of our sodas so we can keep that constant in our experiment. And now, are you ready to see Diet Coke? We did it! Now, make a note in your head. Do you think that was pretty tall? Was it short? Make a note. It's paper, a pen. Write it down. Now, we're going in Mountain Dew style. Let's see it. I'm going to fill this up with some Mentos. Some people might keep change in their pocket. I keep just free-flowing Mentos. You might think, oh, it's just for today. If you see me on the street, ask me. I'll have it in my pocket. All right, I'm going to screw this on. We're going to see if this reaction differs at all from our Diet Coke reaction. Ready? Aw, so cute. What did you think? Was that kind of a baby spout compared to Diet Coke? Make a note. Was it medium? Would you prefer to drink the Diet, or would you prefer to drink the Dew? Now, we've got the Sunkissed, the orange pop. We've got 6 Mentos in there. We're going to see the difference it might have. Are you ready? Let's go. That is a pretty weak spout. Not as cool as the Diet Coke at all. I wonder why that might be. We'll talk about it.
Alright, so now we're going to try it with normal Coca-Cola. Now, we've said it a few times, but the difference between Diet Coke and normal Coca-Cola is that Diet Coke uses something called aspartame, while our normal Coke has just real sugar. Now, we're going to see if our Coke shoots as high as our Diet Coke. Let's give it a go. I'm going to get this to screw on there. There we go. Would you guys believe me if I said it was my first day on the job? Alright. Are you ready? Alright, let's do it. Wow, that was a huge spout. I did not expect that at all. Now, on your notes, if you're taking notes about who's going up the highest and who's not, look at your notes and leave in the comments, who do you think has the best reaction? Alright, so now we're going to try it with this chonky boy. There's a big amount of soda in here. Might look like it's going off more because there's more soda. Now, I'm going to put some Mentos in our little thing. Let's put, what do we say? 2, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to take that. We're going to put it on there. What do you guys think? Do you think this is going to be a big one, a small one, a medium? Let's find out. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Wow, it's huge! Now, I'm going to tell you, I think it's so giant because there's a lot more carbonation and soda in this bottle. Make in your notes, put your notes down, and you decide which one had the biggest reaction, and leave a comment with a grown-up and let us know what you think. Welcome back inside. That was maybe the craziest thing that you've seen all week. If it wasn't the craziest thing you've seen all week, I have serious questions about what you're doing at home. So, what we just witnessed was Mentos going into the pop. And those Mentos, if you look at them, look smooth, but under a microscope, they're filled with ridges and rough edges. Now, when they attach to the carbonated bubbles, which is like if you shake up a soda, it shoots out because of those bubbles. The carbonation attaches to these nucleation sites on the Mentos, and it creates a reaction. Those bubbles are speeding everything to dissolve, and what that is the first phase of thermodynamics. It's called nucleation. Nucleation is really a fancy term that I think just means chaos. It just is, everything's happening so fast, and then all those bubbles have nowhere to go. They say, we need to escape. So they shoot right out the top. And that's what we get that giant, giant explosion from. Now you can see some of the explosions looked different from other explosions. And that has to do with sugar content, fake sugar like the aspartame. It's interacting with the Mentos and the carbonation. And it kind of changes the surface tension of the pop. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and shooting soda into the sky. If you had a good time, ask your grown-up if you have some pop at home and some Mentos, and you can do your own explosions. Until then, feel free to check out our website and become a subscriber where you can get exclusive content to Mad Science TV. See you later.